Hi guys, this is Nunika and today I'm taking you through the fashion studios at Staffs. So the fashion studios are located on the first floor of the Cadman building, and as soon as you enter the studios, on the right we've got the office of our lecturers. In here is Holly today, who's agreed to say hi to everybody watching this video. Holly is one of our amazing pattern cutting lecturers, and the room next to hers is the one of the technicians. They will help you out with anything sewing related. And the room on the left is D103. D103 is our main workshop space. So you've got your sewing machines, your overlockers, all of which are industry standard. You've got pressing boards. The wonderful thing about this room is it's got an upstairs where you can do your pattern cutting because it's got the bigger tables, and it's got this beautiful ceiling which really inspires me to work when I'm in this room all the time. Another wonderful thing is that we've got lockers in this room, and that is so that in case you have to drop anything in there, you can get a locker and you can put your things in there. The next thing that you'll probably see is when you walk across the hallway, we've got most of our student work here, like graduate work, people who are currently pursuing their work. This is just to give us a bit of an inspiration, and if you're new, this is probably the first places I'd like you to check out to sort of get an idea of what we do during the course. And if you walk right through the hallway, the next room is D104. So D104 is probably the room where you'll have most of your lectures because we've got computers in this room. Something very important to mention is all of the rooms are no food or drink because we've got equipment in there and we wouldn't want it to get ruined. So as you can see, computers in here, you can probably sit and work all day. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you around soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.